In manufacturing, productivity is measured in output, efficiency, and safety. But what if one of the most powerful performance drivers isn't equipment or automation, but recognition? On the factory floor where shifts rotate, safety risks are real, and margins are tight, employee recognition becomes more than appreciation. It becomes operational strategy. It goes beyond plaques and announcements. It means consistently acknowledging zero-defect production runs, safety milestones, process improvement ideas, attendance reliability, and team-based achievements that directly influence output. In distributed plants and shift-based environments, delayed or inconsistent recognition leads to disengagement, preventable errors, and higher turnover. But when recognition is structured, visible, and aligned with business goals, engagement rises, safety compliance improves, collaboration strengthens, and productivity stabilizes. Even a small increase in frontline engagement can translate into measurable gains across hundreds of workers and thousands of production hours. For HR leaders, this is not culture building alone. It is performance optimization. The real challenge is scale. How do you deliver timely, consistent recognition across multiple plants without relying on spreadsheets, notice boards, or manual tracking? That's where Workmates by HR Cloud enables transformation. Centralizing communication, supporting peer-to-peer recognition, automating milestone celebrations, and integrating onboarding journeys that connect employee experience directly to operational KPIs. Recognition becomes measurable, data-backed, and aligned with productivity goals. Manufacturing leaders like MG Motor Europe, Toyota, and Mizcan have already embraced digital employee experience transformation to strengthen engagement across their workforce. So the real question for HR is no longer whether recognition matters, but whether your current systems are strong enough to sustain performance at scale. Scan the QR code and book a demo today. Because in manufacturing, sustainable productivity begins with recognizing the people who make it possible.